Hi everyone, today is Monday and it's week 3 of the Summer Hills Stay at Home activities. This week the theme is nature, and today we are going to be thinking about rainbows. Let's see what's in the box. Attention, attention, look at me. Attention, attention, what will it be? Wow. It's a rainbow slinky. Rainbow slinky. We can stretch the slinky, bounce, and we can shake it on our hands. And something I like to try is to balance it on my head. How long can I keep it on my head? Oh! The slinky fell down. What else is in our box? Attention, attention, look at me. Attention, attention, what will it be? Look at this. It's another rainbow slinky. This one is small. This one is big. Can you see? Big rainbow slinky, little rainbow slinky. And just like the big slinky, we can stretch it, make it go really long. Oh! We can shake it on our hand. Oh, not really, it sort of falls over. Oh, we could throw it. And we can look through it like a telescope. Attention, attention, look at me. Attention, attention, what will it be? Ooh. It's a star slinky. A star rainbow slinky. Stretch. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. It looks like lots of stars together because there are so many colours. Beautiful. So we've got the big rainbow slinky, the little rainbow slinky, and the star rainbow slinky. I wonder what will be next. Attention, attention, look at me. Attention, attention, what will it be? Oh, this isn't a rainbow. It's an owl. A wind-up owl. Wind up, wind up. Let's see what you do. Ready? Oh! The owl hops. Should we try again? Oh! He's quite noisy. Was there anything else in the attention box? Let's have a look. Attention, attention, look at me. Attention, attention, what will it be? Wow. It's a beautiful rainbow wand. Wow. We can swirl it round and make a pretty pattern. We can go really fast, or we can go slowly. Rainbow wand. Wow, it's so long. I'm going to hang it up here so you can see. Rainbow wand is so long. I spied one more toy in the box. Ready? Attention, attention, look at me. Attention, attention, what will it be? Oh, look at that. It's a pink fish. And this is not a wind-up fish. It's a pull fish. Here we go. Can you say, Kirsty, pull the fish? Kirsty, pull the fish. Kirsty, pull the fish. Ready, go! Woo! He's wriggling around. Let's do it again. Kirsty, pull the fish. Oh! Do it in my hand. Woo! He's wriggling around, a bit like he's swimming. So, where in nature do we find owls? You're right, owls live in trees. And where in nature do we find fish? Fish live in water. You're right. I think that we should draw on here some different things that we find in nature. I will go and get my pen and we can get started. So we found a fish in the box. And where do fish live? We said they live in water. I think I will draw a river. It's the river for the fish. The fish goes in the river. Who is next? It's the owl. And where do owls live? Do they live in water? No, they live in trees. Okay, I am going to draw a tree. There we go. So we've got the river and a tree. Owls live in trees. And look, what is this? It's the slinky that is shaped like stars. Do we find stars in the river? No. Do stars live in trees? No. Where do we find them? We find stars up in the sky. Here we go. One star. Should we draw some more? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got the stars in the sky, the owl who lives in the tree, and the fish who lives in the river. What else could we add to our picture of nature? How about something else you might see in the sky? Something that is hot. Yes, the sun. Okay, I think we could use this sun. And I think we'll put the sun up here. The sun is yellow. What else might we find in nature up in the sky? Clouds. Well done. Okay, clouds. Let's draw the clouds up here. Cloud. Cloud. So the owl might live in the tree but flies in the sky near the sun and near the clouds and near the stars. Owls tend to come out at night time. That's when we see stars. So we have got a beautiful river at the bottom, a tree, some stars in the sky that we see at night time, a beautiful sun and clouds. How do we make a rainbow? Do you know? So for a rainbow, we need a special mix of weather. We need the hot sun and we need some rain. Shall we add some rain to our picture? Okay, here we go. Rain is coming from the rain cloud and will go down. Ready? Here is the rain. Can you see the rain? It's gone down. Let me show you. Look at that. The rain has gone down. And when you mix the hot sun up here with the rain clouds, guess what you make? That's right, you make a rainbow. I think that we should make a rainbow together. Okay, let's do it. Let's make our very own rainbow. I need you to help me sing the song so that I can choose the colours that we need. Okay, ready? Red and yellow and what's next? Pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Let's make the rainbow. So first we need the red. There we go. And what colour is next? That's right, we need yellow. I should have signed this one red. Red. Next is yellow. Yellow. So, red and yellow and that's right, pink, red and yellow, pink So purple. Oh. Purple and orange and blue. Wow, look at this. Look at this. We have made a beautiful rainbow. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can see a rainbow, see a rainbow. Can you see it too? Sunshine and rain clouds make rainbows. And here is a beautiful rainbow that has already been made. If you would like this rainbow for your home, all you have to do is like and share our rainbow video and tell us what your favourite colour of the rainbow is. That's the end of part 1 of our nature activities, and we will be back this week for more fun. Take care.